Yeah, a box full of wrapping paper. Welcome to Jable's Outdoors. Well, Christmas came early today, didn't it? You might be wondering what this great big huge box is that just came in the mail. Shipped Canada Express. What did we get this? Canada Post there. A little shopping on Amazon the other day. And, well, let's just take a peek. Nervous. I guess excited.
Tony's gonna love that.
Oh, Tony. Mom and Dad got you a nice new Christmas present. That whole great big box for dun 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 Traxxas Slash Platinum Edition. There it is. Can you tell that I'm excited? Oh, Tony, what is that? Yes, you're excited. Look at that. Well, why don't we unbox this sucker and see what it all came with? This is my first Slash. You saw in my video the other day that I decided to gear down and lock the diffs on my little Summit VXL. So, and this is kind of why I was doing that. I got the Telluride brushless now. And now I've got the Slash 4x4 Platinum Edition. Look at this. Wow. Ever sweet.
Someone loves you.
I'd say it's not Santa Claus. Santa's been bringing me lumps of coal for years now. And through the magic of TV, there it is. What else is in the box here? That's it. Slash 4x4 Platinum Edition. Look at that. Tony's all excited. I'm going to sit down here and take a breath because I'm pretty excited. Let's see here. We got the clear body shell pre-cut for ease of painting and mounting. Look at that. Body clips all in there. Wow. Is this thing ever sweet? Keep looking over there because that's where Bailey is, and she's the one that got me the Christmas present. Thanks, Bailey. Take that lid off. Wow. It's going to make for a fun video. I've never painted a Lexan hood before. So let's take a peek at this monster. Wow-wee. Look how nice that is. Look at all the metal parts on it. Unreal. So it looks like it comes, hi Tony. Looks like it comes with the metal drive shaft. The aluminum drive shaft. It's got the aluminum TRX. Look at that. It's got the aluminum, I don't even know what those are. Steering blocks, I guess. And the rear axle blocks. Wow. Nice linear shocks, the GTR shocks. Look how sweet those are. Beauty. And the Traxxas, look at that. Ever nice. Let's see what came in the bag. So we have got a bunch of stickers. Stickers for days here.
Okay.
Look at that. Got Fox, NOS, Excel, 4-wheel parts. Oh my god. Slash Platinum Edition. Look at all the stickers you get there. Pretty sweet. We got the what to do if your Traxxas model breaks. More stickers. Look at that. All kinds of Traxxas. That way I'll be able to label my remotes now too there. But oh yeah, the other thing is that this one came without a battery, a charger, remote, or receiver. That's why I think why it was such a good deal. Picked it up for $3.77 plus tax Canadian on Amazon.ca. Look at that. There's the grill and the headlights, the back window. Look at all that cool stuff. Pretty neat. And the manual / 4x4. And now looks like we've got a little bag of tools, fancy stuff. Got the sway bars. It looks like these little metal sway bars and other axle blocks. Couple of extra spur gears, some body post washers, foam for your battery tray, an extra pinion gear, not sure how many teeth that is, and the center diff. Check that out. Spare parts. Can't wait to install all this stuff. You guys all stay tuned, and thanks for watching my Jables Outdoors Traxxas / 4x4 Platinum unboxing. Cheers.